Hello everyone and welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how you can create this sun and cloud animation using Morph Transition in PowerPoint. So let's get started. First of all, create a new PowerPoint presentation file and then insert a circle and few lines to make the sun. Then insert two more circles and edit the points to make the clouds. And then you can drag other shapes to make the hills and trees. Now you can just duplicate this slide and rearrange the objects as shown. And then finally add the morph transition to both the slides. So this is it. This is how you can create the sun and clouds animation using PowerPoint. I hope you find this video useful. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.